eat a plant-based diet? Or what do you think, what's the one thing that people are like, oh, I can't eat a plant-based diet. I couldn't be a vegan.
I think cheese is a big part of that.
Cheese.
Yeah, I mean, I like meat, I can live without it, but it seems like there's cheese in so many things, and that is, I know, just talking to people, it's hard for people.
Right. Even when we do the 10-day shred, one of the things you have to give up for 10 days, just 10 days,
It's all dairy.
is all dairy, and people freak out. It's not the alcohol, which that's more for me.
Right.
It's the dairy. It's the dairy. So we're going to show you a like just a cheese sauce, just a simple cheese sauce that is completely plant-based.
And we've done one before, but what I like about this is, so the one we've done before has cashews in it.
Right.
And so that's great, unless you have a nut allergy. And so this is another twist on that that's actually brings in really healthy foods. I'm kind of excited
I'm curious. We'll
to
see.
what this is all about.
Okay. So we're going to start off with a cup of cooked carrots and 2 cups of cooked just white potatoes. Okay. So I just boiled them, drained them, and go ahead and put them in the food processor.
Perfect.
And then we need a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil.
Half a cup? This is a third. Is that okay?
I need a half. Oops.
Whoops.
I need a half a cup of.
Half a cup of water?
Yes, half a cup of water.
Okay. And then
I need a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil.
all right, you're gonna have fun editing that.
I know, right?
That's on you, sister.
We're gonna add this.
Okay.
Oh my. It's Monday. What do you want, people? It's
That's
Monday.
right.
Okay, so then we have a cup of nutritional yeast.
Okay.
And nutritional yeast is right over there. We get that from Trader Joe's.
Yes, love this stuff.
It has a cheesy smell to it. I don't even know exactly what it is.
It looks like fish food, but it
does.
doesn't taste like it. And,
Yeah.
and you said a cup, but you mean a half a cup, right?
I'm in half a cup.
Okay, perfect.
I don't even know if I should be cooking today.
That's okay. You should, I'm here. I got your back.
Oh my. Okay, I need a teaspoon of salt.
Okay. Salt.
Salt.
Teaspoon of salt.
Teaspoon of salt.
All right.
Dump that in there.
Got it.
And then I need a half a teaspoon of each. Garlic powder and onion powder.
Half teaspoon of each.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There's the garlic powder. And we'll do the onion powder.
Okay. And then we're gonna do just a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice.
All right. On it. Tablespoon.
And I'm gonna reach over here.
Okay.
Okay, so then it just says a dash of cayenne pepper. If you don't like spicy food, you can eliminate this, but I'm just gonna put it just a
Oh
small.
yeah, I like the spice. I'm all about it. All right. No
Here's
pepper
a
in
dash.
this?
No pepper.
Okay.
All right, and then we're just gonna mix this up.
All right. Plug your ears. This is a really loud machine.
I'm gonna scrape down the sides here. It's definitely thicker than.
Yeah, which I like that. I
what
like,
we're
and it
used to.
smells good. So I'm anxious to see.
Let's just do one more time here.
Okay.
All
What do we
right.
think? There's a little bowl.
Let's just. I'm gonna just
Try it before
do
we.
this. It's very thick.
Yeah. What does it need?
I think it needs more lemon juice.
Okay. So another tablespoon.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And how do you know that?
I just feel like it tastes kind of bland.
Okay. So it needs lemon juice. Any more salt?
And I think it needs a little salt.
All right. Half teaspoon?
Sure.
Okay. Let's try that.
I almost feel like it needs more onion powder.
Okay. Another half teaspoon onion powder.
Give me another half teaspoon onion powder.
Coming right up.
I don't taste it. Like, I mean, maybe you're not supposed to taste it, but it needs
Right.
something.
Okay. Got it.
We're just making up stuff as we go.
We're gonna see. We're gonna make it perfect.
I'll take the other
Yeah,
end.
you're fine. Good?
It's different.
Do you need me to try it?
I want you to try it. Tell me.
Okay.
It's almost a little too starchy for me.
Okay. I think it's pretty good.
I mean, I think it's good, but I feel like it needs to be either thinned out a little bit.
Now, I like a thicker dip. So
That's true. Okay.
I really like it. Like that's probably my beef with the other one is it's too thin.
It is. You're right.
So it's hard to like get your chip. So yeah, I say just use the spoon, or if you want, yeah, just put a little bit in there. Get our chips. Let me open these.
Yes.
I personally like it.
So I think I do too. It's just it's a different texture for me.
Yeah.
I think that maybe if you I bet you could add some salsa to that, almost like a queso dip.
Rotel, yeah. So this will be the true test with our little. I love these bean chips. They're so good. From Trader Joe's, and so see, it stays on my chip. The other one, like it doesn't stay on my chip.
Right.
I love it.
I like it better with the chip.
So I actually like it better. That's funny.
I like the other one.
I like this one. All right, we're gonna have a cheese off.
We're gonna have to have cheese off.
Yeah, we're gonna see who wins. Cause I tell you, I don't know.
I like that it's thicker,
I like that it's thicker.
but the other one, maybe it needs more nutritional yeast. I'm gonna play with this recipe because I feel like it needs just something else.
So in other words, be sure to look at the comments because that's where the final recipe is gonna be, right?
Right.
So you're
Absolutely.
gonna play with this a little bit,
Yeah.
and then we'll see. Cause I really like this.
I don't dislike it.
Yeah, I think it's delicious. So anyway, just another option. I mean, would be great just to have chips in case. So I mean, my gosh, you'd never know that's not cheese sauce, right? That's just like it.
Right.
But also just great to put on any of your, Mexican dishes or whatever,
Oh, absolutely.
and really healthy.
Absolutely.
And no dairy.
And no dairy.
Who knew? All right. We'll see you later.
All right, make
Yeah.
sure you hit the big red subscribe
That's
button.
right.
Please.
That's right. Please.
Hit it, share it, live it.
Yeah. Tell us what you think.
There we are.
Comments.
Bye.
I like comments. See ya.